Yo, what's good, y'all? Today is October 17th. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick trade recap on what I took and another opportunity that you guys could have taken as well. I didn't feel well today. I was unable to signal on my Discord, but my Discord link is gonna be in the bio. It's free Discord. Anyone can join. I do trade recaps, psychology, all that good stuff. I give signals, all that good stuff. I am gonna start live trading as well soon. But yeah, just give you guys a quick trade recap and see what I liked and what I didn't like. So today at Friday we had no news, but price in my opinion was good today. Depending on what you caught. So on the bigger time frame, in the 4 hour time frame, we had this 4 hour bearish here. We also had a 1 minute, 1 hour bullish here. Liquidity in the 1 hour fair value gap and liquidity in the 4 hour FEG before it hits the 4 hour FEG. What I really liked today, if we got it, was if we were gonna come down. Let me just pull price back all the way back here. So this is what I kind of liked in the morning. So this was kind of the long I wanted to see happen, which it did happen. Obviously, we had all these highs here, all these highs I wanted to see get ran through. And yeah, I want us to come back into the 1 hour FEG, sweep all these lows, this low, possibly coming down to relative equals. If we came down here, swept these relative equals, then have a move back up to these highs, possibly Asia high, that's a plus setup no matter what. Very good rejection of the 1 hour FEG, sweeping relative equals, and then having a buy move back up. Sadly, we didn't get no entry here. Price just kind of sells off of one candle and then having to move back up. Perfectly fine. But yeah, now I'm going to explain why I like shorts. So obviously there's this 15-minute fair value gap. Personally, this short setup wasn't A plus. It wasn't A plus. Would I have taken it any other day? Possibly not. It's just when you're in the moment, you kind of realize, oh, this really looks really good. I'm going to take this. It just depends on the trader in the moment. But I'm going to explain to you why this was also good if you guys taking this. Obviously, every trader has their own preference. You shouldn't always rely on somebody's opinion. Everyone sees the market differently. It just depends on how you see it and what you like. So obviously coming into here, we obviously have this buy move back up. We're sweeping this highs here, coming back, rebalancing equilibrium as well. So we were balancing the swing high and swing low price, and that black line that we have in the middle here is going back into rebalance equilibrium. So we're rebalancing equilibrium. We are sweeping liquidity. We are delivering out of a 15-minute bearish FEG to go lower. So this trade could have gone break even. I took my profits here. In the moment, I wasn't thinking about these relative equals. I'll be honest. I was just thinking about this slope being swept. Obviously, if you do have an end draw, you can leave runners. I was just thinking about this low getting swept the whole time. So I was willing to go break even past this low. I know it's kind of weird, but how I always run my break evens, if there's a candle here and it's really close to my break even, I'll run it to the next low behind it. Obviously there's no fair value gap, no really clear low, obviously this low, but I don't really want to go break even there. I want to go break even a little higher. So yeah, so once we sweep there, price leaves a 1 minute FEG, change of state. There's no 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 5 minute. This was pretty much A plus setup. We got this. Stops were gonna be at the CE of this candle, which I can pull it up for you guys. Let me see. Yeah, so around there, CE of this candle right here. So yeah, that was about to be, that was the setup. That was a setup I was willing to take. And yeah, so we're gonna ride this down. So we get a good, really good close here. Really good close here. So I would have entered right there. And then we rode this down to the drawn liquidity, which was that low. Leaving runners to this low was very key, but we ended up just having a random bull move back up, which isn't bad. But price at least come down to relative equals, and then we just end up having a bull run back up to the upside. Um, Now I kind of want to go over why this bull run was kind of iffy, in my opinion. Let me just fast forward this. This kind of lagging, no really clean V shape out of here is kind of iffy to me, especially leaving these relative equals, especially ES not even sweeping as well. ES leaves the lows as well. It's just really iffy to me. And if I was gonna take longs, I would need a continuation model from that, which is what we're gonna go over right now. But yeah, if we came down to those lows, swept, and then have a buy move back up, that's A plus to me for sure. That's A plus to me. But we end up not getting that at all. So you could have taken longs. Honestly, it's just up to the trader in the moment. Obviously, we're sweeping this low. Possibly we can have a buy move back up. Could have taken any inversion here. I think there was a 2 you could have gone based off there. So there was a 2 here, and then you could have ran into Asia highs or this 4 hour bearish. Yeah, I think the 2 minute was the best type of entry you could have got. Let's see, solid 3 as well. So there's 3 minute here. Let me just delete this. So there's a 3 minute FEG here. We'll go to the 1 hour, 1 minute, and then we'll probably just take a long from here. So once this inverts, closes pretty good. You could have leave your stops below this, below that for rally gap, and just ran this to Asia high, or the 4 hour unfilled. So, up to you guys, whichever way you guys wanted to take that setup. I think when it's really A plus, if we sweep these lows, then we have a clean rejection out of there, having a clean V shape out of there, and having a really good buy move out up. Obviously, a 3 minute FEG inversion would have been the entry, break even past a certain high. Possibly we do get a change of state here as well. Obviously, watching the 5 minute, see if there's any other for value gaps that we should be worried about. And then, yeah, that's a possible long setup. And I'm taking the short setup, which I wasn't mad about it. I had, if I was looking at these, I would have had conviction around these lower. Would have for sure got break even past a certain, probably past this low, and then or past this low right here. Then ran this down, and then we could be looking for a buy move back up, which is probably more A plus. I wasn't really feeling good this morning, so I was unable to see the market clearly, but I did end up taking a W. Obviously not my best day, but yeah. So now I'm going to talk about this continuation model I also saw as well. So obviously you guys know how I like to trade my continuation models. They're more 5 minute inversion, 5 minute for value gap, bounce off, 15 minute rejection, and then we get a 1 minute inversion, change of state, 2 minute inversion, 3 minute inversion, whichever. But other times I like just taking the rejection off the fair value gap. So if there's a good candle close, like I'm gonna show you guys right now, we're gonna trade lower, and we have a good candle close. Obviously, we did close up below it, but on the 5 minute time frame, it rejects. It's gonna be rejecting. Obviously, I'm back testing right now, so it's not gonna be show right in the moment. But we get a good candle close. Possibly you could have taken a long off here. Long off here. Oh, long off there. And then, or you can wait for the 1 minute inversion. There's a 3 minute as well. I mean, the RR is going to be kind of cooked, in my opinion. Yeah, it's going to be kind of cooked. Obviously, do they work all the time? No. You just have to have conviction if we're going to go higher or not. Obviously, we did already touch the 4 hour RPG. Price ended up going higher. Let me just clear this. So price is going all over the place now, but so price does end up going higher. It comes higher, lower, then has a buy move back up. Obviously, there's this 1 minute FEG that holds, and then we end up having a buy move back up. Could have re-entered here, possibly if you have conviction that we're gonna go higher. Up to the trader in the moment. Remember, always think, are you gonna be happy if you lose this trade? That's one thing I always ask myself. It's like, am I gonna be happy if I lose? You just really just have to ask yourself that, and is my stop loss protected? Basically, that's what you have to ask. Um, and yeah, that was kind of the setups for today. Short model was the way. Longs could have played out, just misses relative equals lows, which is crazy. And yeah, continuation model was okay. We didn't really get no clean inversion. Could have took it on the bounce, but up to the trader in the moment. Remember, always choose discipline and patience. Wait for the setup to present itself. Don't rush into it, and always think that you always have time. You always have time. You don't have to rush anything. So yeah, that was the setup for today. Obviously, back test over this weekend. Remember to always follow your rules. Be disciplined. Obviously, I'm on evals now because I ran out all of my fundeds, so I'm starting over. I usually like to start over with one just to make sure I can pass one, then I can stack the other four. But yeah, so I'm just working on one funded right now. I ended up making obviously I didn't trade that good today. I made like $900 on this trade right here. So on the eval. So hopefully next week we can for sure pass it. Obviously I like to up my size. Just today I wasn't feeling that good, so I was unsure where the market was really gonna go. But obviously took a nap, feel way better now. Seeing the market way better now. So kind of frustrated. I should have taken this on more size, but it is what it is. Continuation model should have played out. It did play out, or the long model should have played out. But yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Make sure you follow the YouTube, follow the TikTok, join the free Discord as well. We'll catch y'all.